Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If you are preparing for UPSC CSE examination 2026, geography is one of the most scoring subject in the prelims. But many aspirants struggles with the basic concept of latitude, longitude and time zones. So in this video, I am going to explain these concepts in the simplest way possible so that you can easily solve any prelims question from this topic. So starting with the chapter Mapping the Earth. Before understanding the latitude and longitude, we need to understand something important. The Earth is a spherical body, and in order to locate any place on Earth, we use an imaginary grid system. The grid system consists of latitude, longitude. So together they help us to determine the exact location of any places on Earth. So you can think of them like a coordinators of the Earth. These are imaginary lines. So first one is latitude. Let us first understand latitude. So latitude is defined as an angular distance of a place north or south of equator measured in degrees. The equator is the most important latitude and it is located at 0 degree. All other latitudes are measured north or south of equator. The value ranges from 0 degree to 90 degree north and 0 degree to 90 degree south. In the two extreme poles, there were North Pole and South Pole. Another important point is that latitude lines run from east to west and they are parallel to each other. That's why they are also called the parallel of latitudes. So important latitudes of Earth are, there are 5 very important latitudes that are frequently asked in exams. The first one is equator, located at 0 degree, and the second is the Tropic of Cancer, located in 23.5 degree north, and the third of the Tropic of Capricorn, located at 23.5 degree south. The fourth is the Arctic Circle, located at 66.5 degree north, and the fifth is Antarctic Circle, located at 66.5 degree south, and the North Pole and South Pole of 90 degree each. These latitudes are extremely important because they help us divide the Earth into different climatic zones. For example, the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is known as the torrid zone, which receives maximum sunlight. One important factor that India is that the Tropic of Cancer passes through India and divide the country into tropical and subtropical region. So in India, the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, and many other countries also lays in equator region. They face immense sunlight and their days are longer than their nights. And these are the examples of the latitudes and their characteristics. Then there are longitudes. Now let us understand the longitude. So the longitude is defined as the angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. Unlike the latitudes, longitude run from the north to south, connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. So these lines are known as the meridians of longitude, and the important longitude is prime meridian, which is located at 0 degree. It passes through Greenwich in England. The prime meridian divides the earth into two parts, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Longitudes are measured from 0 degree to 180 degree east and west. Then the longitude and the time. Longitude are extremely important because they help us determine the time difference across the world. The earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. If we divide this, we get 360 degree divided by 24 hours equal to 50 degree per hour. This means that for every 50 degree of longitude, there is a difference of 1 hour. Another simple rule to remember this: when we move east, the time increases. When we move west, the time decreases. The next topic is Indian Standard Time. India follows a single standard time known as Indian Standard Time or IST. This time is based on the 82.5 degree east longitude. This longitude passes through the Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh and it is considered the standard meridian of India. Since India lies to the east of the prime meridian, Indian time is ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. This difference is 5 hours and 30 minutes. So we write it as 1 IST equal to GMT plus 5.30. For example, if the time at Greenwich is 4 p.m., the time in India will be 9:30 p.m. Then next topic is International Date Line. Another important concept related to the longitude is the international date line. This line is located roughly along 180 degree longitude. The main function of the international date line is to change the calendar date. When a person crosses this line, moving from west to east, 1 day is subtracted, and moving from east to west, 1 day is added. This system helps maintain consistency in global calendar. So now we are about to make a quick revision for UPSC prelims. Let us quickly revise the most important points for the prelims. Latitudes measure distance north or south of the equator. Longitude measures distance east or west of the prime meridian. Latitude lines run east to west, while longitude runs north to south. The earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, which means 50 degree equal to 1 hour. India follows 82.5 degree is longitude and is standard meridian, and therefore IST is GMT plus 5.30 minutes. So that was the complete basic concept of latitude, longitude, and time zones, which is extremely important for UPSC prelims geography. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more UPSC 2026 geography lessons. In the next video, we will discuss the earth movement, seasons, and another important topic for prelims. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.